I'm going to show you how to reset all settings on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Doing so will essentially factory reset your Windows PC or laptop, but you'll also be able to keep your files and folders. So the first thing we're going to do is head on down to the search bar and search for recovery options and then click recovery options. With this now open, navigate to recovery options halfway down and then select reset PC. You have two options now. Either keep your files, which will remove apps and settings, or reset apps and settings, but keep your personal files, or you can choose to remove everything. So for this, we will keep our file. Next, you can select whether to do a local reinstall, which will reinstall Windows using a previously installed version of Windows, or you can opt to use the internet and download the latest version of Windows. The quickest one is obviously a local reinstall, but if this does crash, obviously give Cloud Download a try. Next, you'll have a summary of what you've selected. If you're not happy with something that you've selected, you can click Change Settings. If not, click Next. And finally, you will receive a summary of everything that will happen when you reset your PC, as well as a list of apps that will be removed in doing so. However, the important thing is that your personal files will be kept.